This is a love reading for you, Gemini, for August to September. In this reading, I'm going to take out a heart shaped spread for you and your love interest, and then see what is the guidance for you and for this relationship. You should know that this is a general reading, so everything will not resonate as it is with all Gemini, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. So, some of you who are looking for a very direct or a guided reading to the relationship or to your union or a marriage, then you should write to me for a private reading, and I will do a heart shape spread for you and your love interest. So let us see what is the guidance, Gemini, for you and your partner. Also, please read my newsletter, which I have put the link in the description box. There's a lot of effort gone into creating it. So, who are you in the relationship, Gemini? Who's your partner? What is the strength and challenges you both bring? How do you both see each other? What is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from? And how's overall the guidance for the love reading? So, you're worrying unnecessarily, Gemini, over something. Maybe it is a certain fight or something you said, and you're thinking that maybe your partner is hurt in some way, or maybe you said something too much, or maybe you did not say enough. I don't know what is this worry, but it's telling me you're dying under this worry. But for some of you, you're also overplaying a situation. So a situation is not as bad as you think, but you're very worried and you think situation is exceptionally bad, or the fight is too bad. I'm seeing a lot of swords. There are 9 swords here for you, and then 3 swords that your partner has. Your partner is hurt. There definitely some words got spoken. He or she is hurt in some way, and the two of you regret it. They both are carrying a lot of pain, and I'm just seeing your partner may not be talking to you right now, Gemini, for some time, or has gone somewhere, or is traveling, or is taking a time out. Because you see, this is just a heart which is visible, and then there is you who seems to be regretting it. But this guidance is in the reverse, so it's telling me, one, your worries are overplayed, or it is not as bad as you think. So you maybe want to go easy on yourself, Gemini. Also, maybe take some time out, because I'm also seeing is you have a realization of a certain fight or words that are spoken and the hurt that is there. Maybe you want to take some time out, go somewhere, and then maybe relook at the whole situation. The two of you have definitely said some nasty words to each other, or you've had a certain fight. Now, what is the strength or challenges you bring, and what is the strength and challenges your partner brings? So, it's quite possible. I'm seeing there is a certain jealousy at play here, Gemini. Maybe you praised someone unduly in front of your partner, and or you spoke about your ex in some way, or you said how you regret not being with your ex, or or with someone you had a crush on before, or some such thing, and then the fight got bad. Because it's just telling me there is a third person who got a fight started, and looks like you mentioned this person, so you maybe were trying to play some mind game and get the partner jealous, but you both landed up fighting very badly. Now, when I look at this strength and challenges for your partner, he or she is very controlling. Sometimes your partner can look like is very abusive also, and he or she doesn't let you talk freely. You may be little bit more freewheeling, Gemini, but your partner is someone who wants to be said the exact things in a certain way, and not a word here or there, or not a one word wrong here or there. So your partner is very, very particular about what gets said, and he or she likes to take account of everything in the relationship, whether it is money, whether it is emotions, whether who you spoke with. He or she likes to be on top of everything, so it's not like you could just speak with someone and your partner doesn't know it. It's also looking like maybe you spoke with someone and then your partner doesn't like it, and that's what just got a fight started. I'm just seeing is a very very controlling partner here who likes to know everything what is going on with you, doesn't leave a single word out, doesn't leave a single small thing out in the relationship. Now, how do you see your partner and how does your partner see you? So, these cards are telling me it's a lover's tiff, because you both seem to have a very beautiful impression about each other. You both love each other, and you see your partner as someone who's capable of just about dealing with any person. He or she can be with any person, deal with any situation. Nothing is too difficult for your partner. That's how you see it. You also feel your partner has a lot of gentleness to him or her. So maybe comes across as very controlling, but has a very big or a soft hand when they're dealing with the most difficult of situations. So you are aware of this energy, Gemini, and you seem to love your partner very deeply. This is a very good impression that you have, and you feel with this partner you are very very protected. Nothing dangerous or difficult will ever come around near you. Now, how does your partner see you? You you both are from a different culture, Gemini, as I see it, and your partner sees you as someone who can go very big or who can do very well career wise. Also, I'm seeing is your partner may be encouraging you to take that travel or go and take that posting overseas or in a different country. So you are getting very encouraged by this partner to give more wings or let your career fly, and think about your career. And should you want to be going traveling or relocating, you should totally do it. Your partner is encouraging you to do it, Gemini. So very beautiful supportive guidance, and your partner also sees you with lot of respect. This is a guidance of someone who can conquer the world. So your partner has massive beautiful powerful impression about you, that you are one person who will definitely succeed. So such a beautiful impression the two of you have about each other. Now, what is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? About the future, I'm saying is your partner feels sometimes you tend to overcommit, Gemini. You tend to say things which you possibly could avoid, or you could go slow and choose to not say, but you tend to overcommit or say, I can do this also, I can do this also, let me do this also. And then, since you have so much to do and you said so many things without thinking, you definitely are not able to deliver on it. So your partner feels you could choose to not speak so much, and this is also where it is this energy is coming from, where you've spoken or said way too many things and you regret it, Gemini. So your partner feels your tongue needs to be little bit more in control, and you could be saying things little bit more afterthought or with lot of more softness. You like your partner the way he or she is, Gemini, and in the future you want your partner to stay same or just the way he or she is, even if it comes out as your partner is boring or just loves the same routine. You're okay with that, but you want your partner to stay the same or stay how he or she is now, even in the future or in coming times, because this is a guidance of not wanting a change, wanting to stay the way you are. So you feel your partner should not change, he or she should stick to how their routine is now, or how he or she is in their dealings now. Now, what is the past you're coming from? Gemini, and what is the past your partner is coming from. In the past, you have faced a lot of decision paralysis. You were not able to decide, and then things just went out of hand, or you know, you were not able to make a decision as a yes or no, and then it just led to nothing coming out of a certain situation. Maybe in the past, you never had a breakup, you you just choose to not go ahead, or you just did not make a decision. Your partner was in a bit of an abusive relationship. I'm just saying he or she felt very controlled in the past, and this may not necessarily be a relationship, it could be childhood also. Your partner may have had a very controlling childhood, or maybe growing up, maybe something to do with teenage years or in the college days. Your partner's faced some very rough time or a controlling times. So this is the background he or she is coming from, and maybe that's why he or she gets hurt very easily. So you need to be more, Gemini, careful with your words. How's overall the guidance for the love reading? There's a lot of stress in the relationship, or the two of you together, and it's telling me it's coming from a lot of work, and the two of you not going traveling anywhere. Maybe you both should take a holiday, just ease some time out, and then things would look better. One of you is in amazing stress, and this work related stress, Gemini, could be spreading in the relationship also. Some of you, Gemini especially, you should take a leave, because I'm seeing so many cards here and a person in work clothes sleeping, and it's looking like it is you. You see hands are on the forehead and you're in a worried situation. Here your hands are folded and you're praying. So it's just you, Gemini, who needs a leave, and your work related stress may be getting passed on to your partner also. So some of you need to just take a leave or go on a holiday. Otherwise, I see a good relationship here for the two of you.